What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is the screen protector from Whitestone Dome glass. This is a very intensive, protective screen glass for your Pixel 7 Pro. They sell it for almost all the major phones, but this will be for the Pixel 7 Pro. I'll link it down below if you want to pick one up. But basically, the way it starts off is you need to cover all your buttons and openings on the phone with the included adhesive that comes inside of the box. Next, you'll insert your absorption pads and the pin loader. Place your phone into the jig. Clean your phone with the included cloth and stickers to remove any dirt, lint, and debris. Place included tape over the speaker hole. Assemble the position bridge and pin. Open the color gap adhesive and insert it into the position bridge hole. Remove the position bridge and adhesive bottle. Remove the liner film and place the glass to be leaned on the pin. Push the bottom of the jig to let the adhesive flow toward the center. When the adhesive reaches the center, let go of your hand and remove the pin. Wait 100 seconds to let the adhesive spread out completely. Now comes the fun part. This is where you're going to use the UV light, which comes inside the box, for 15 seconds each in the bottom, middle, and top sections. Remove your phone from the jig and remove the side sticker. We're gonna go back to using the UV light, and this time we're gonna do 60 seconds in each section. That is the bottom, the middle, and the top. You are done at this point. You can begin using your phone. You can feel the screen protector on the sides, and a little tip to increase the sensitivity of your display. Go to your display settings on your Pixel 7 Pro and turn on screen protector mode. It seems like the screen protector does offer good protection. It covers the entire display. You can feel it on the sides like I mentioned earlier, but nothing too crazy, and it works well. The sensitivity, I didn't have any issues with it, especially after increasing the screen protector mode and turning that on. So if you want to pick one up, it's linked down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.